How's it going, everybody? Welcome back. Today we are installing this. That's right. So today we got the Acuity Instruments throttle relocation bracket for my left-hand drive 10th Gen Civic Si. Basically, the main purpose of this bracket is to help with your heel toe because this is a manual car, and if any of you know 10th Gen Civics, it's hard to sort of downshift the knees with the heel toe effect, so this should improve it. So let's just get it open right here, and there it is. It's a very nice box. So here is the bracket right here. And then they also gave us some hardware as well for it. And of course, exclusively, they gave us these 5 horsepower stickers, which is brilliant. And it looks like they got a little notice right here underneath this. So we're going to start off with a 12mm socket to get these 3 bolts off. So we're just going to get our socket in there, and then we're just going to start loosening them and getting them out. And then we'll make sure we get this one, and we're also going to get this one as well. Now these are fairly tight to begin with, so trying to be careful to not nudge yourself on any of the components here, just because it'll hurt, probably. And then once you get them loose enough, you can actually just start pulling them out here. Alrighty, so we got our 3 bolts right there. And then next we're gonna be unplugging the accelerator. This is actually fairly optional. If you just want to hang it somewhere, then you can. But if you want to just unplug it and then let it sit somewhere, then that is totally okay, just as long as the car is off. All you basically gotta do is you gotta push in that little piece right there, and it should just snag off. So yeah, there's your accelerator pedal. We can just lay it right here. And then we'll get the bracket on. And as you guys see, there are 3 specific relocations for this bracket. I think we are going to be doing B in this matter. So first we'll get this on, and then what we'll do, we'll get our pedal, and then we'll position it to here, and we'll use our hardware that Acuity gave us, and we'll need a 5mm socket, Allen key, and it'll be done. So you just want to make sure that you get it in just like that, basically. And you're gonna grab these, and then you're just gonna put them right back on. Really can't wait to see how the results on these are gonna be. And then we'll just go ahead and tighten them up. And you just want to make sure that all 3 are snug. There are torque specs if you want to do those as well. And now we can get our pedal back on. So we'll just get our first one on, and then we'll get our second one, and that one will be going just down here. And of course, make sure that you're putting it in your desired position. And then we got our last one going in just in here. Alrighty, and now we're gonna get our Allen key, and we're just gonna tighten these up. So we'll just start with the first one that we did. Make sure that's nice and tight. And we're just going to make sure that we do equal turns on each. And there we have it. All we got to do is re-plug our acceleration pedal. And just like that, it should just clip in like that. Perfect. Alrighty guys, and there you go. There is the relocator for the accelerator pedal by Acuity Instruments. And let me just show you guys, like as you guys can see, it is closer to me than it was before, and it definitely feels a lot better. And not to mention, just to show you guys, it's a little bit cold right now, so we'll actually let it warm up. And now that it's a little bit warm, I'll show you guys. It does not affect acceleration at all. it doesn't get stuck or anything, which is really nice. And it felt tight too. Like I made sure I got a hand on it, and it doesn't feel loose or anything. It doesn't feel cheap or anything. And that's what I love about Acuity instruments. Now, I'm not going to do a video of me driving yet for you guys. I might save it up for another video. That way you guys get to see it in action, because I got a lot of other stuff to do. So yeah, we'll leave that for another video. But yeah, that's basically it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Shout out to Garage 16 for getting me this product. I absolutely love it. It's an absolute wonderful store. You can check them out in the link below. But yeah, until then, take it easy.